To create the doors on the cabinets, I have selected the XREF and moved it forward so it is aligned with the face of the 3D cabinets. I'm going to select Face UCS, picking this face so that the XY plane are now aligned, and I can go ahead and draw one of the doors on the cabinets. Selecting the rectangle command again. And what I'd like to do now is simply offset this line in just a little bit so that when I create the rest of the doors, there is some space between each of the door panels. So selecting the offset command, selecting a 1/4 inch, picking the line, offsetting it to the inside. Zooming in, there is still the rectangle here. I need to delete that. And now I can extrude this rectangle, and I will extrude it 1/2 inch. I could specify an angle of taper and have the edges coming in, or I can use the fillet command. I'm going to enter, and I now have that panel in place. Changing the shade mode to hidden, changing the view, and if I wanted to, I can go back, undo, make any changes before I have to multiply that same object several times. But I will keep it. I'm going to continue, creating another rectangle, offsetting this rectangle the same 1/4 inch, erasing the original rectangle, and then extruding 1/2 inch. And now what I will do is union both pieces, and then I will copy this piece multiple times. And if it isn't possible to see the other lines, I'm going to change the shade mode to 2D wireframe. That cancels me out of the command, and that's okay. I'll just continue with the copy command. And sometimes you have to zoom in very closely. It is difficult to see the lines. And maybe what I should be doing is selecting the mirror command. I'll give that a try. Mirror. Seems to work pretty well. And then I just have to mirror 2 panels over here. And that takes care of the cabinets. I did turn off the counter, turning that back on, changing the shade mode, and then to see what the final product would look like, I can then take the XREF and unload that. And that's what I have so far.